Okay, come along with me. I'm going to go check out our friend's event tonight over at Lantern and Moth, the tattoo parlor here in Da Nang. And it's a little bit of a rainy night, but should be nice.
So I don't know if you can hear me, but that's my Vietnamese language teacher. Her husband owns that tattoo parlor called Lantern and Moth, and he's from Australia, and so they're doing a end of summer party or midsummer party, but it started raining tonight, so maybe it's the end of summer party. But really nice. They got a bunch of different bands coming out tonight. It's a vibe, and I haven't done this in a long time. But you know what they say? I learned this from my son a long time ago. That if your homies are doing something, whatever they're doing, just go out and support them. That's what I'm here to do, is support the homies. Chris and Vanessa, good people. So let's get back to that party.
Let me get down.
I didn't know you had to go buy it, man. I didn't know you had to go buy it.
We're at a meeting. We had
All right, come along with me on Bar Street during the day. Everything looks a little bit different. You get to see the warts and all. I say warts and all, I'm talking about the trash, the puddles of water, all those things. Construction going on. This one's been working on for a long time. It's coming along. Closing time at a strip club when the lights come on. That hot looking stripper doesn't look so good anymore. But when you sober up, So that's a way to compare what Bar Street looks like during the day. But hey, it's a fun place. Everybody's always out here. This is where they want to congregate for nightlife. So now I'm gonna head over to my friend Dan's place. He lives in Sontra. And we're gonna connect, get together before we leave for our trip back to the States.